複雑. We use it when talking about math problems, relationships, and to describe feelings. 複雑。計算や人間関係の話、気持ちの説明でよく使います。It is a na adjective. 複雑 describes something not simple, with many parts tangled together, or feelings that are mixed and hard to sort out. 物事が入り組んでいて、単純ではない感じです。要素が多くて、ごちゃごちゃしている様子や、気持ちがいろいろ混じって、はっきりしない状態を表します。The first kanji means duplicate or multiple. It shows up in 複数 and 複製. Think of repeating or copying parts. That image helps you remember it links to more than one piece. The second kanji means mixed or miscellaneous. You see it in zatsuron and zashi. It suggests a mix of different things and a slightly rough feel. Notice how the sound changes between zatsu and za. This issue is complex. この問題は複雑です。この問題は複雑です。The explanation is complicated, and I don't understand it very well. 説明が複雑でよくわかりません。説明が複雑でよくわかりません。I think his feelings are complicated. 彼の気持ちは複雑だと思います。彼の気持ちは複雑だと思います。The process has become complicated. 手続きが複雑になりました。手続きが複雑になりました。The most common synonyms of the word are 入り組んだ and ややこしい。入り組んだ feels a bit formal and focuses on parts being tangled. ややこしい is casual and often means confusing or a hassle, which overlaps with 複雑 when something is hard to follow. The most common antonyms of the word are 単純 and 簡単. They describe things that are straightforward and easy, the opposite of many parts or mixed feelings implied by 複雑.